Happy birthday, tita.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Grabe.
Tita, hello. Happy birthday. I wish you more blessings and peace of mind and good health. And yun. Stay happy. God bless.
Tita, ako ba? Happy birthday. Wala akong masabi. Hindi ko... Siguro, nasa iyo ng lahat. Ang ano ko lang sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng malusog na pangangatawan at laging ingat sa lahat ng oras.
Okay.
Yun. Happy birthday.
Ate Cynthia.
Mama Gran, good luck, good health. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Tita, Tita Rosel, happy birthday. Kasama ko si Nilo, yung mga anak ko at mga apo na bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday. God bless you and wish namin a good health.
Hello, Tita Rosel. Wishing you always the beautiful gifts of life. Dalangin namin lagi ay bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay para lagi ka namin kasama.
Lagi may picture.
Lagi may picture.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ingat lagi, Tita Rosel. We love you, Tita
We
Rosel.
love you! Maraming salamat!
Thank you.